This is so funny. Like, why is there a little hand coming out of my shoulder? What is up, you guys? It's Alex. Welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, then welcome and thanks so much for joining me. Today, I'm so excited because it's not really a DIY, but you guys are just gonna watch me make stuff. I'm mixing a little bit of my biology background with a little bit of my kitchen skills, and we're making a mushroom chocolate cake. It's just a chocolate cake with mushrooms on the outside. And I'm so excited to start baking more and like working on my baking skills because I love it. It's so much fun. It takes a lot of work, but it's so enjoyable for me. And I really just like, it's so fun and it's so like relaxing for me. Anyways, if you would like to see me bake a cake, then keep watching. Okay guys, so here are all the ingredients and tools that I'm going to use to make this cake. I will link the recipe and everything down below so I don't have to like go through and tell you exactly what everything is, but also my measuring cups, my whisks, and my bowls over here are like all rainbow theme colored, and I did not plan that at all, but I'm super happy that that worked out. So yes. Also, I bought some flowers from Walmart. They were on sale after Valentine's Day, super cheap, and they just matched with everything. Also, I'm kind of getting a purple vibe for my kitchen. Haven't really decorated it yet, but it seems that purple is the color to go with, so that might be fun. Maybe an upcoming video. Also, just so you guys know, I did preheat the oven. It's on 350, and I just turned it on, so let's get to mixing. Okay, so I've combined all of my ingredients separately in the separate bowls. So here's my dry, here's my wet, and then here's the eggs, butter, and sugar in there. And now I have to combine these into here alternately, like first dry, then wet, then dry, then wet, then dry, then wet, until it's all done. And hopefully this works out. I thought it needed vanilla, but the recipe didn't call for any vanilla. So hopefully this tastes okay. Also, this is kind of hot, like you can still see the steam coming off. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to wait for this to cool down or what, but we shall see. So I finished mixing and this is what it looks like. It's so chocolatey. Hopefully I didn't mix it too much. I feel like when I baked my last cake, I mixed the wet and dry ingredients way too much and then it kind of came out a little dry. So hopefully I didn't make that mistake again. I wasn't timing it, but I'm gonna estimate it was maybe 10 minutes max, maybe like 7. So I'm gonna go ahead and butter and flour my pans and then stick these babies in the oven. Put these babies in the oven. Wow, that's so hot. There's one. There's two. Alrighty, let's set this timer. Okay, so since my cakes are in the oven, I'm gonna start working on the frosting, buttercream bit, and then the fondant for the little mushrooms and stuff. So I hate working with fondant so much. It's terrible. It tastes terrible, but it looks really cute. So that's the only upside to that. I found a recipe online for buttercream that's real easy. The only thing is that I don't think I have enough powdered sugar, but we'll see. I have a lot of granulated sugar, so possibly maybe if I sifted it or something. I don't know. We're improvising. We'll see how it turns out. So I'm gonna go do frosting stuff now. Okay, so this is what the buttercream looks like. I'm not too happy with it. I mean, it's okay, but maybe because it's a little warm in here, that's why it's looking kind of, I don't know. It doesn't look like the one that, you buy in the containers, but hopefully it'll be fine. I'm gonna go ahead and put this in the fridge and wait for the cakes to finish baking. Okay, so I'm kind of gonna do a combination of both of these. And so I'm gonna make these, these little blue mushrooms out of fondant, and then these little white ones, I guess all the mushrooms out of fondant. And I think those are little leaves, probably with fondant too. And then all of that is the buttercream. So hopefully this will work. I'm gonna use this template to do the outside of the trunk, so like get the texture on the trunk of the tree and everything. So we're just gonna make these little guys with the fondant right now. Okay, these babies are cooked and beautiful. It only took 45 minutes. The instructions said 45 to 55, so I just put it on 45, and I poked a knife in, and it's super clean when it came out, so these are super hot right now. I'm gonna go ahead and stick them in the oven, and not in the oven, sorry, in the freezer, on these things, like, so that they'll cool down. So here are all my pieces. I think my favorite are these little blue mushrooms. This took longer than I thought just because all of these pieces are so small. But it was so much fun making them. This is gonna be so cute. I'm so excited. Now I'm gonna go check on the cakes and see if they're cool enough to go ahead and start putting on the buttercream. Right, okay, so I've leveled off both of the cakes and ate some of the pieces. This is so delicious. Oh my goodness, so good. So they're sort of like as even as I could get them just by, cutting and eyeballing it. And now I'm gonna get the buttercream and put it in the middle and stack it on top. And then I'm gonna dye two pieces or two bowls, one dark brown, one light brown. For like the light brown is like the top wood bit, and then the dark brown is for the bark bit. I'm very excited. This is so much fun. The cake is a little bit shorter than I would have wanted, but it's okay because last time I made way too much cake, and so this time it's enough. And the icing was like melting sort of the butter. It's like normal 70s, probably like 72 degrees in my house, but the butter was like melting as I was mixing it, so the buttercream kind of started separating, so I stuck it back in the fridge in the piping bags, and hopefully that will help a little bit. I did do a crumb coat on the cake, so that's in the freezer right now. I'm probably going to take it out in a minute or so. And yes, I'm excited to assemble this baby. It's gonna look so cute. Guys, here we go. Ta-da! I think it looks great. Drop a comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, being a biology major, leaves don't grow out of the side of trunks, but whatever. I think my bracket fungi came out so cute. They are falling a little bit because I didn't have toothpicks, so these are falling a little bit, but I think it's just so cute. I'm so impressed with myself. Like, pat myself on the shoulder. Oh my god. Let me know what you think in the comments down below. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and to subscribe to my channel for more content. Make sure and click the notification bell so that you know when I post a new video. Drop me a comment down below and let me know what you think. Also, you can find me on social media, Snapchat, Instagram, or Twitter at Sparkling Alex. And yes, I'm about to go cut this cake up and eat it. I'm super happy right now. So I think that's all I have to say. I'll see you in the next video. Bye!